Welcome back to the Worldly Traveler. Today we're taking you to a place where Italian elegance meets serene countryside beauty, a destination that feels both timeless and utterly peaceful. Welcome to Borgo La Chiaracia Resort and SPA, nestled in the heart of Umbria, Italy, a region known for its rolling hills, medieval towns, and a way of life that invites you to slow down and savor every moment. As you arrive at Borgo La Chiaracia, you immediately sense the magic of this place. Set amid lush landscapes and panoramic views of the Umbrian countryside, this resort transports you into a world where ancient charm blends seamlessly with modern comfort. The architecture itself is a testament to history: soft stone walls, earthy tones, and classic Italian details that reflect the heritage of this land. Stepping through the doors, the warmth is immediate. Elegant yet welcoming spaces greet you with an understated sense of refinement. Every corner of the property feels thoughtfully designed, capturing the soul of Umbria, rich in tradition, beauty, and tranquility. Let's start with the accommodations. Each room and suite at Borgo La Chiaracia Resort and Spa has been created to offer both comfort and a sense of place. You'll find interiors that blend classic Italian style with contemporary touches. Plush bedding, tasteful decor, and natural materials make every room a sanctuary. Many rooms offer views of rolling hills, vineyards, or the resort's picturesque gardens, inviting you to wake up each morning to the gentle beauty of the countryside. Beyond the rooms, one of the greatest joys of staying here is simply exploring the property. Meandering paths lead you through manicured lawns, olive groves, and shaded courtyards. There's a feeling here of stepping into a story, one with roots that go deep into Italian history and branches that touch every aspect of your experience at the resort. One of the standout features of this property is its spa and wellness experience. The spa at Borgo La Chiaracia is a haven of calm, a place designed to rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. Inspired by the restorative traditions of the region, the spa offers a range of treatments that draw on natural ingredients and ancient wisdom. After a day of exploring Umbria or simply unwinding by the pool, there's nothing quite like indulging in a massage or thermal circuit that leaves you refreshed and grounded. Speaking of relaxation, the resort's pools offer another standout experience. Imagine immersing yourself in warm water as the sun dips behind the hills, with panoramic views that stretch into the distance. These moments of peaceful reflection, surrounded by soft light and gentle landscapes, are what make a stay here feel truly special. Of course, no experience in Umbria would be complete without savoring the local cuisine. The on-site dining at Borgo La Chiaracia celebrates the rich flavors of Italian cooking, with menus inspired by the seasonal bounty of the region. Fresh produce, artisanal cheeses, handmade pasta, and local wines come together to create meals that are not just delicious but deeply rooted in tradition. Every bite tells a story of the land and the people who cultivate it. But perhaps the most magical part of staying here is the location itself. Umbria is known as the green heart of Italy, a landscape of gentle hills, historic hilltop towns, and vineyards that seem to stretch on forever. Just beyond the resort, you'll find charming villages where time feels slower and life feels richer. Wander through cobblestone streets, explore ancient churches, or find a quiet cafe where you can watch the rhythm of Italian life unfold. Whether you choose to explore the nearby towns of Orvieto or Todi, visit local wineries, or simply enjoy the views from your terrace with a glass of wine in hand, every moment here feels timeless. Borgo La Chiaracia invites you to live not just in a place, but in an experience, one that aligns perfectly with the Italian art of enjoying life's simple pleasures. What makes this resort truly unforgettable is how it captures the essence of Umbria: its landscapes, its flavors, its history, and its warmth. Here, each day begins with breathtaking beauty and ends with heartfelt serenity. If you're dreaming of a destination where elegance meets tranquility, where every detail evokes tradition and comfort, Borgo La Chiaracia Resort and Spa should be at the top of your travel list. Thank you for joining the Worldly Traveler. If this hotel inspires your next Italian getaway, be sure to subscribe for more luxury travel guides, destination insights, and unforgettable journeys from around the world.